This is why you eat more than you think. It's not your hunger, it's your environment. One goofy study from Chicago proves it. Ready for the twist? Picture this. It's the year 2000. You show up for a Saturday matinee in Chicago, expecting action, popcorn, and maybe a soda. But the popcorn you're handed, it's 5 days old, so stale it squeaks. Free but barely edible. Here's the kicker. Some folks got a medium bucket, others a gigantic bucket. And despite the popcorn tasting like packing peanuts, people with the bigger buckets ate 53% more. That's over 170 extra calories just because of the container size. The wild part? When told about the experiment, most people insisted, "No way, I know when I'm full." But the data doesn't lie. Bigger bucket, more eating, no matter how bad the popcorn. So next time you want to change a habit, don't just focus on willpower. Start by changing your environment. Sometimes what looks like a people problem is actually just a bucket problem. Mind blown? Hit that subscribe.